sewage treatment plants help microorganisms decompose water by supplying oxygen to the water tank. At this time, the device that effectively supplies oxygen to the water tank is the air diffuser. SANGIBONG, a non-clogging air diffuser, is a next-generation air diffuser that can greatly reduce the maintenance cost of a sewage treatment plant. Existing air diffusers are clogged by the sludge existing in the water tank, deteriorating the performance of the air diffusers, as well as failure of the blower that blows oxygen. SANGIBONG, which is an unobstructed diffuser, can be used semi-permanently because there is literally no clogging. The reason is that it has a cylindrical structure. The air supply from the side causes an ejector phenomenon and is strongly discharged to the upper part, which creates a strong suction force from the lower part. Because of this, the sludge is sucked and agitated from the bottom, so it can be used semi-permanently without clogging. Existing air diffusers have membranes, such as a membrane, installed at the air outlet, and air can only be supplied through the air outlet. Therefore, the blowing pressure of the blower increases, which increases the fan load. However, since there is almost no pressure loss in the air peak, it can bring about 30% energy saving of the blower compared to the existing product. SANGIBONG is a next-generation air diffuser, a product that has great effect in reducing operating costs and energy savings for sewage treatment plants and livestock waste water treatment plants.